Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Apti. Today we are going to solve one problem related to the seating arrangement. So let's start and try to solve the problem by yourself and then go to see the solutions that we are providing here in this video. So let's start. So study the following information carefully and answer the following questions. So 10 persons A, H, J, K, N, R, S, T, U, V are sitting around a rectangular table in the such way that two persons sit each alongside of the table and one person sits at each small side of the table and four persons sits at the corner but not necessarily in the same order. Each of them faces towards the center of the table. Now T sits 3 places away from K, who doesn't sit in any middle side of the table, and A sits immediate right of T. H faces to U, but both are not an immediate neighbor of A and T. And B sits second to the left of U and sits immediate left of S. And N sits immediate right of J. So this is the questions. So first what we have to do, we have to solve their sitting arrangements. We have to arrange their sitting positions so that we can easily solve when you can solve their sitting position, then you can easily solve 5 to 6 questions related to this problem. So let's start the solution. So firstly, it is already mentioned that a rectangular table it will be. So I have already drawn a rectangular scale tape, means I have drawn a rectangular, and then it is mentioned that 4 person seats at the corner. So I have mentioned that 4 corners and there will be 4 person, and 2 person seat at each long side of the table. So obviously 1 and 2 the long side. So and it's mentioned that each of them facing towards the center of the table. So 4 person sits at the corner and 2 person at the 2 person at the long side and others at the center of the table. They are facing each other. Okay, so I have done everything. Now I have to solve who will sit where. So first, see, here it's mentioned that uh, A sits immediate right of T. Correct. So I'll start the problem from this side. Okay. So A sits immediate right of T. If I will put A here, then immediate right of T means T will be on the left side of A, right? That means T will be here. Correct. So A will be immediate right of T. Done. Okay. Now it's mentioned that H faces to U, but both are not an immediate neighbor of A and T. So H faces to U, but not immediate neighbor of A and T. Means both are not. Okay, so means for this position and this position, there will be no H and U. So no H or U, right? I'll mark it as red so that it will be easy to understand. Right, for this position and for this position, I'll mark it. Yes. So for this position and for this position, this is not the position for H and U. Correct? So if this position and this position are not for the H and U, so H faces to U means that the position of H and U will be either this one and this one. These are both are left because H and U will be faces each other. Already A sits here, so it cannot be possible here there would be H and U places. So also this will be not the place for H and U. Yes, this is not for H and U. This is not for H and U. This is not for H and U. So not possible key. This place is also for H and U. Also, this is not for H and U. So if this is not for H and U, this is not for H and U. If that is the place for T, so of course here is not H or U. So of course this position is not for H and U. Course, correct? This position is not for H and U as well. Now the left position is also, if this is not the place for H and U, then of course this position is not for H and U. Easily you can understand all the positions are blocked for H and U. So the places where they can sit, that these and these, they can face each other, and these are the place for H and U. So I can write the place for H and U like this is the place for, suppose I putting this is for H and putting this the place for U. Done. H and U places are done. So I have already put the place for H and U, A and T. Already H, U, A and T. 4 positions are done. Correct? Now T sits 3 places away from K who does not see any middle side of the table. Then we are correct. Man, we are correct. See, here means that T will not sit in any middle of the table. Means the position of T will be in the corner, right? So we have put that means we are right. We are in the right track. Now, here it's mentioned that B sits second to the left of U. Means B sits second to the left of U. Means the left of U means this side. Second means this position will be B. Correct? So this position is for the V. And we mentioned that B sits immediate left of S. Oh, that's great. B sits immediate left of S means the right of B. That means here this place is for S. Very easy. This place is for S. So already we have found U, S, B, A, T and H. Already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 positions are already we have got. Now it's mentioned that N sits immediate right of J, but no J and N we have found till now. So left it. So what left here? Okay, A sits immediate right of T. Great. A sits here, it's done. H faces to U, non-neighbor to NT, it's already done. T sits 3 places away from K who does not sit in any middle. T sits 3 places away from K, so we can find out the place for K, right? So immediate right of 3 places away from K. Okay, 3 places away. Here already 3 places are done from T. So here we have to take the positions for this side, the left side of T. So 3 places away from K means 1, 2, 3. Yeah, then that means this position is for K. Okay, so got the place for K, H, U, S, B, A, T. Done 7%. Now it's mentioned that in seats immediate right of J, and it mentions, okay, so in seats immediate right of J, that means we haven't found any position for N and J before, but only the 2 positions are left which are immediately right to each other or left to each other. So if N sits immediately right of J, that means the position of N will be this one and J will be this one, right? So find out the position for N and J, and one place is left and there are no criterias for R. So obviously this position will be for R. So we have got the position. If I will check G, N, K, H, R, T, A, V, S, U. Perfect. All done. Now we have got all the positions for these 10%. Now which type of questions we will get from this type of questions, this type of paragraphs? Now we can find like who among the following sits opposite of R. So what will be the answer? Opposite of R? The answer will be S. From the drawing we can easily answer it. That means S is the right answer who sits opposite to R. Suppose the question will find like who sits in the middle of J and S. Then the right answer will be U. Got it? Now, who is the immediate neighbor of H? So immediate neighbor of H, either K or R. Okay. So maybe the option is R comma K, S comma U, R comma T, etc. So the answer will be K comma R. Suppose the question is like, uh, okay, this type of questions are like we'll find out. So suppose we'll find out the question like how many percents seat between N and S, and when counted from left side of N. See, when counted from the left side of N means the left side is, if this is N, the left side will be this side, right? Its face will be this in this way, then obviously the left side will be the, if the faces will be in this way, of course. Okay, so in the face of N is this way, so the left side obviously this way, right? So if the question how many percent sit between N and S means this and this one, N and S, when counted from left side of N, so the answer will be 2 because J and U are the two answer, right? So this type of questions we are mainly find out from this type of paragraphs. So people can understand how to solve the sitting arrangement problem. So thank you so much guys for attending this video and show your support. Thank you so much guys. Hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.